Okay, Match City just got a recent update. Let's do this. And I hope someone can help me escape. Let's try to... Let me dig. Yeah, I want to dig. Okay. Oh no. Hey, buddy! Hey, Bo! What have you been done, Bo? Hey, Bo. Yeah, let's go, baby. No, you suck! You ain't catching me, boys. See you in the afterlife. You ain't catching me today. Catch me if you can, boys. They don't know. They don't know that was me. Let's go in here ham. I'll have to ham these guys up. Oh! Thank you. Chopper's mine, boys. Chopper's mine. Hey, son. You wish you could have a car like this. Ow! Stop shooting at me. Who's shooting at me? Stop. Okay? This car's mine. I'm keeping it. Well, let's look for those airdrops. Where's the red airdrops at? Guess we have to wait around for it. Do we? Guess we do have to because I'm not seeing any of them anywhere. I'm tired of this chopper. Just gonna take the jet. Okay, where could we find... oh, actually, I don't know where they spawn. I mean, here are lots and stuff. I can't say that. Okay, I'm just gonna stay in here and rob everything that I could get in here. And so much cops in this server. There's more cops and more criminals. That's not fair. Oh, look where I even escaped. That was my jet. Someone stole my jet? Who stole my jet? I'm gonna beat their butt. I swear to God. I'll kick your butt if you stole my jet. Who took it? Who took my jet? You better not have took my jet. What are those red air crates at? Okay, I hear jets. Oh, that's what I thought. No one took my jet. I will get on them. I will kill them. I will shoot them. I will blow them up. No one steals my jet. That gate, what do you think you close that gate on? But don't kill me! Oh, wait. Dude, it's not fair. There's more criminal. There's more police instead of more cops. Why does everyone want to be a cop? There's not even that much superheroes either. Well, I should say. Nothing. Found rope. Not what I wanted to find. Whatever, it'll do. I know I need a rope. I have a rope. A lot of cops. Jeez. Oh my god, there's a lot of cops, bro. How many cops are in this? Okay, this is not fair. Not fair. Die. Body armor. Now. 86 health. Not fair. Fudge. Yes, dig. Dig! Hurry up, go faster! Dig one more time. Oh, you about to get it, son! That's right! Let's go! No! No! It's not fair! Don't let me punch! Ow. All the cops in this game suck! This is not fair! You guys are cheating! Cheating! I can't even escape once! Oh, I got tape. Cool. Of course, with a knife. A spoon. Cool! Cops coming after me, bro. All the cops? Bro, leave me alone. Right. So 3 cops in this game now. Good thing. Shouldn't be that much. Not dying today. Not anymore, I'm not. Not dying. Let's go to the bank, rob it, and let's not die. No more cops here. No more cops at all. Good at least. Cops are coming after me. Better leave me alone and do not come after me at all. No, no, who's here? Who's here? Don't be a cop. I am repaired. Okay, it's a criminal. No, wait, someone came in. Oh, fire family. Oh, criminal, okay. Who else? Anybody? Nobody? Okay, good. Nobody else in here. I'm not dying today, son. All these cops that want me, they're gonna leave me alone. I'm not coming out. Superhero! Nope! Not cool, Bo! Not cool! Not cool! Iron Man? It's not cool at all. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Thanks for watching.